Hello there, I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a layout and all the cool features that comes with it. Let's just create a button, a login button. So this is how we will create a login button, and then from here we are going to press Shift A. That means we have created an auto layout. Let's just give it a background color. As you can see, this is our simple button. And then the most interesting thing about the auto layout is that you can make your own button responsive. As you can see now here, this text has been aligned left. Let's align it center. So you are going to go to under your auto layout and click center. As you can see now, when we are increasing our button, the login text move with it automatically, and it's always in the center. Let's say that we want to add two icons on the left and on the right. Then what we are going to do, we're just going to run our icon plugin. So this means that with the auto layout we can add many components in this button. We can add some user interface element in this button, and then we can control the padding and the spaces between them. So we are going to add this element, and then let's also add this icon. Okay, let's say we want to add this icon in this button. So this is how we are going to do it. As you can see, it shows you there that blue line. That means we can add it there. As you can see, there is a space between those. Let's say we also want to add this icon on the right side. As you can see, we can add it here. Okay, and then when we increase the size of our button, as you can see, everything fits in nicely, and we've got an equal gap between our elements. So let's try to play around with that gap. Click here, go to our auto layout, and then let's see if we change this to 20. As you can see, now the gap changes. The other interesting thing here, we can also set the padding, and then this is the horizontal padding. Let's change it to 30. Okay, we don't see much effect there. Let's just do it again and see. We click here. Okay, as you can see, these lines are showing us the padding, but because of we've got these items that are taking this whole space, so we don't really see actually the effect of the padding. But this is how you change the padding. That means this is a space on the left and a space on the right. As you can see here, it shows here this is the padding and this is the padding of 11. Otherwise guys, that is it for me, Matthew Msingati. As a bonus, let's just add some rounded corners to our button and give it a color of white, and that will be it. Then you will click your layout, and then you will go to, let's make sure that we've clicked the layout, and then here is the rounded corners. Let's make 10. Border radius, and as you can see, and then what we can do, we can just change this to white. You can see change to white, change to white. Nope. Let's just click on this one, and then let's change that to white, and then voila, we are done. That is it for me on the auto layout. If you feel like this video has added value, please do me a favor, subscribe.